So, does it run at all or no?
No, she's died on me.
Because I can't really... We'll have to pull it up backwards, which we don't usually do with diesels, but yeah, because I can't be in the middle of the street, obviously.
This is gas.
Oh, either way.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a dually, so it's got some giant iron block, I'm sure, right?
I don't know.
I don't know. Either way, I can't block the street, so we'll pull it up backwards, no problem. 3,500 and it's gas? Interesting. Yes. It's a neighbor of ours, apparently. I've never met him, but I haven't met a lot of people. Come on scene. All right. You're just waiting for traffic and it shut off?
No, I was towing a trailer. That guy just pulled up and took my trailer in.
Oh shit.
So I was just gonna have him pull me back to the house, but I have no power steering, I have no brakes, I got nothing. So
right.
I'm not taking that kind of chance.
No, I don't blame you.
There's really nowhere to hook because that's a Cadillac front end. So
yeah. All right. Let's see. Sun's kind of fucking. I was gonna say you can leave it in park for now so it doesn't roll away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Leave it in park for now. I'll get it.
Okay.
I appreciate it. I gotta get the plate and the VIN and all that shit, so.
Okay.
Gonna be a second. Yeah, even though we're only going a mile, I gotta get all the info. Let's see. All right. Good to go. Thank you. Oh no, we'll do that at the end. Sorry.
All right.
One thing at a time.
I just want to make sure that
You're good.
it's already been a stressful morning.
No, I get you. Are you riding back to the house with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start plucking if you want.
No. Never that. Let's see. I need the big old meat hooks. What the hell? Okay. I feel like I've towed this before. A long time ago, though.
Hey, I just bought it.
Oh, okay.
And I've been doing work to it.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking it's not worth it.
These have the TBI, isn't it? The intake? It's like that weird one with 2 injectors on top of the intake manifold? Yeah.
I don't even open the thing up.
Oh.
To be honest with you.
Gotcha. Come on. Yes, thank you. Does that hitch come off easy enough? That'll work too. Perfect. Oh, you're good with that part. You can leave that.
Sure?
Yeah, yeah.
It's pretty easy.
Okay, no worries.
But well, make sure you don't fuck up your head.
No worries. This thing has seen much worse. Oh, is the cable hitting it? Let me see. Yeah, just kick it. There you go. Perfect. Let's go on this side. Make sure I don't run this over. All right. Didn't think it was going to run that side over, but apparently it is going to. Don't know why I thought it wouldn't. Yeah, those ones are fine. Hang on to those for me. I just don't want them to lock themselves in there. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, man.
What a pain in the ass for 1 mile.
Yeah. Telling me. Do you know if this driveway loops around? Do you know if it loops around and there's another exit over there?
Yeah.
Okay. That way I don't have to back out into traffic.
No. Yeah, that's when I started bucking. I turned in and I'm like, I forgot that it was Sunday.
Right.
Of course, church.
Yeah.
And people were all coming in. I'm like,
Oh no.
oh, just fire.
Right. All right, one more on this side and then I gotta move all my shit. Hey Siri, pause. Come on. Good to go. All right. Here at the customer's residence. Oh, he's trying to open the gate, but it's fighting us. He's trying to open it as wide as he can. Just don't let it come back and smack my truck, please. Thank you. Will we go in right here?
Yeah, if you could just sort of, like, go towards the garage.
Yeah, flip around and then drop it in there?
Yeah.
You got it. Absolutely. Oh, he's got a nice bug back there too. Trying not to trench his gravel by turning my wheels in one spot too much. That's kind of the nature of the beast, unfortunately. It's a cool setup back here. Minus the pool, but the pool is very nice. I just don't like pools. Expensive and constant maintenance. That's why I got rid of mine. Well, that and I'm building a garage back there. He's got 2 boxers too. Oh, yeah. All right. Said he will be right back. Man, these wheels are like chunked on the outer edge. Crazy style. Alright. Move that so I don't run it over. Yeah. Oh, go in the goddamn hole. Sorry, headphone users. Sorry again. Make sure we're not going to hit anything on that side. I think we are good. Double check. Yeah. Let's just triple check. Be extra sure. Yeah. Just kicking up some dirt. Need to extend this out all the way though, so we don't scrape the bumper. Alright. Cinchy up the winchy. Move that. Shit, almost fell. God damn it. Soft dirt. Alright. Fucking GTA makes that same noise. Oh man. I have an 89 Trans Am and it makes that same annoying ass sound when you put the key in.
Oh.
Everyone's like, yeah, just unplug this and that. I'm like, no, because then I'll leave my keys in it. Like, it's annoying for a reason, so you notice it. Heavy. Yeah.
It's lifting.
All the weight comes off of it and it just wants to spring up. It's another reason why we don't usually load these backwards. Good over there?
Yeah.
Okay. I say I looked before, I just want to double check. Yeah. Good to go. If you could just jam it in park for me. All set. Oh man. Come on. There we go. Okay. Woo. All right. Oh man. Ooh. Good to go. All right, here at Chase, Thompson Peak and Bell. I forgot this bank was even here. When they called, I was like, I'm gonna need that address. But truck's off because we are hopefully just gonna be changing the tire. Otherwise, they need a 2.5, 3 mile tow, which I would not be super keen on doing. If we can just change the tire. But hopefully they have the spare. You can't see, but it's got the access panel for the little drop down thing. But oh, it's also got aftermarket wheels with that little Allen key. So yeah, we're not changing anything. So I'm not taking anything off like that. So I don't think I even have Allen keys with me. Oh, you know what? I might actually. Let me get the plate in the VIN and then we'll see if we do. Let's see. H3316. Wonder if Echelon referred them to us. Because we do a lot of Echelon stuff. 352. Alright. Well, let's see if the tire's under there first. Oh, yeah. It is, okay. Let's see if we have the Allen key. I think this is them pulling back up. Hello, hello. Yeah, I was trying to see if I had the Allen key to take the center cap off.
Center cap, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's going to be our only thing. Let's see. I got a couple of them here, but I don't know if I have the right size. Unless you have one, I don't know if...
I don't.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
Yeah. Usually they give them to you with the wheels, but like if you got them installed somewhere else, they probably didn't give it to you. Let's see. I have one that might work, but it's kind of loose. Let's see if this one's better. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, because that's why I was like, I didn't have that.
Yeah.
And that's what I did kind of.
Okay. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't have any keys on the actual lug nuts. Do you have a key that you know of?
That's what I was asking her.
Yeah, it would be in the glove box if you do, but we'll take it off and make sure before we do anything. I should have put my gloves on. These tools are dirty for some reason. Let's see. Why does that fit like that? Like, barely fits in there. Where's the tool for this though? Should be this one. All right. Let's see. No, they're all regular ones. Cool. We'll hold on to that. Put the screw back in there for you.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. And then we'll need to get in the trunk too to drop the tire down. That back. That back. Close that. Oh, what the heck? That's not great. Whatever. Alright. Come on. Alright. Yeah, I should put my gloves on before. Now my hands are filthy. Ah, damn it. Whatever. Where did I put my gloves? Oh, they're on the edge of the bed. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we'll need the little tire kit that's like stuffed away in here usually. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. This guy right here. Alright. And then I think we'll need the ignition key. Like the little valet part that comes out. Yeah, we gotta get behind this panel first though. Oh man. Let's see. Man. Doesn't feel like it's ever been taken off before. Let me grab a flat tire real quick. Need all kinds of tools for this. Let's see. I always tell myself to grab plastic like flathead thing that I have, pry tool, but I always forget. Where is that stupid thing? I know it's in here somewhere. Oh, that's not it. What the fuck? That's a wrench. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's missing the fucking bit. God damn it. Oh, I think I just found it. Nope, but that might work. No, that'll fuck up this paint. I'm not gonna do that. Why would the little bit not be in here with it? Oh, I just felt it. There we go. Stupid. Ooh. Whoops. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I think this has to come off first. Let's see. Yep. Come on. There we go. Slide that up there. And now this will come out, hopefully. There we go. Ooh, okay. And yeah, you have that key? Thank you, sir. Put that in my pocket so I don't forget it. Let's see. Come on. There we go. And now we need these. Now I gotta remember which way goes in first. Let's see. I think it's this side. Should feel it click in. I think. Maybe it's the other end. I think it's this one. Let's see. There we go. Locked in. Let me grab this. There we go. Now you should start to see it dropping down under there. Yeah, it's a whole thing. That's why I was like, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it, because you know these toolkits go missing all the time.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't have them, and I go to take them off, and it's not doable. But this one we should be good to go.
Like a jack, you know how you old time you put it up under the thing and then you just kind of jack it up?
Oh yeah.
Not with this, huh?
No, we're gonna still jack it up, but yeah, just the way of getting the tire out is a little more involved.
Okay.
Yeah, just to get this.
Tire out.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But then yeah, it's just a regular tire change after that.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. Let me get under there and grab this thing. Alright. Tire seems good too. Oh. It's a full size too, so you can actually drive on this for a couple days if you need to.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll wind this back up so it doesn't drag. Yeah, this has to like kind of dangle, unfortunately. Otherwise, if we run it all the way in, it might get stuck. So I'm just gonna put it up just enough to where it's not gonna hit anything, but yeah, you'll be able to see it swinging back there. All right, put all this away.
You want to put it up a little bit higher or no?
I can if you want to. I just worry about it. No, that should be fine. Yeah, it's not gonna catch anything or anything like that. Yeah, I just don't want it to get stuck on you and then you don't have a spare. Because the like cable that holds it is designed to have weight on it when it's all the way up. So it gets like kind of balled up if you don't. All right. That's all back together, good to go. Stuff that back in there. All right, put that back on. Oop. I think that part needs to go in first. There we go. Perfect. All right, we'll grab the jack. Please be charged. Okay. I don't like that. Do me a favor and set the parking brake if you can. Yeah, it moved just a little bit. I don't want it to take off on me. If it's electric, should be able to do it without starting the car, but perfect. Thank you. You saw it shift back though a little bit. I was like, oh no. All right, let's see how high we need to get it because it's gonna be different with those wheels. A little bit more. About 7 years now. Yeah, but I've been working on cars for probably 15 plus years.
I can tell.
Yeah. Let's see. And that barely fits in there. That's good though. And these have the nylon on the outside, so it's not going to mess up the wheel too when it's spinning. Yeah. Good. All right. Let's see. Oop. Come on. What the hell? There we go. Man. Keep getting stuck on there. Let's see. Ooh. Oh no, that one is a lock, I think. Maybe not, let's see. Yeah, that one's kind of crunchy. I don't know what's up with that one. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see that one's like stripped from whoever put it on. They put it on too tight last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see all the threads are in the inside. It might be hot, careful. But yeah, we're not gonna put that one back on. We'll let the tire shop worry about that for you. Did you have a discounter somewhere put them on?
No, we had Cadillac.
Put the wheels on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes they get a little crazy with the guns like this and they just make them a little bit too tight. As you can see, all the other ones came off fine though. think that's all of them.
Bought those tires like a couple months ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Damn, these things are heavy. Let's see.
No, it's punched on the side.
Oh, on the side?
Yep.
Oh, I see now, yeah. Yeah, oh, right there, yep. All right. All right, we'll throw that back there once we get it back on the ground. Yeah. I don't want to disturb the weight of it while it's up in the air. This is the ring to make the different wheels center, so you're just gonna make sure you keep that with them. All right. Yeah, it doesn't look like it messed up the stud. That lug nut I was telling you about. Like you can see the threads on here are okay. I think you just need a new lug nut. They're like $2 or3.
That would be good leaving this off though?
Oh yeah, for sure. One being off isn't gonna be any trouble at all. Yeah, it's when you're missing like 2, 3, that's when you start to worry, but 1 is fine. Yeah, let me get this close. I'm gonna sit down and lift this with my legs because I don't want to kill myself doing it. Let's see. It's good they make these out of steel, but they're so heavy. There we go. All right. Man, that one's going on tight too. Because they should thread on by hand easy enough.
Yeah.
That one. There we go. Yeah, a couple of them are kind of suspect. Man. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's like half of them are not wanting to go on. That one's definitely not. Yeah, I mean, I would still feel okay with it not having 2 of them. Oh wait, there we go. Okay, it was just not, you know, playing nice. If you just send it on there, you can cross thread it and then it's a whole other thing. All right. Yeah, whoever put these on last time put them on way too tight. But they probably did that because the wheels are so big. I almost don't even want to ram them on with that too. I'm gonna grab that hand tool back out of there and do them up by hand. Alright. Let's put it down just a little bit. Oh, that's probably why they're not the stock size. Oop.
26s.
Yeah, they're gonna put extra stress on the studs too, so that could be it also. I'm not sure, but yeah, whoever put them on there last time put them on too tight, and it's extra stress because the wheels are so heavy. I might just have if I were you, I'd have the dealer look at all of them just to make sure, because they can snap and then the wheel comes flying off. But they don't tell you any of that when you buy them, of course. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just do them up just enough, not, you know, crazy. Let me see that other one I gave you. I'll just try to thread it on there by hand. Oh. I mean, it's going back on, which is surprising, but oh yeah, see, it started to get like stuck right there. So I'm gonna just leave that right there. It's not gonna fall off or anything, but definitely have them check those. Let me put all this away, then we'll load that too. And then we'll put this up so it doesn't fall off. Oops. That's gotta go in like that. There we go. We'll put this back on so that doesn't... Oh wait, we gotta put that back in first. Like that. You know what? Do you want to leave all this off since they're gonna have to take it off to replace the tire?
You know, actually, just they put it back on.
Put it back on? Okay, no problem. No problem.
We got the key on there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No problem at all. Doesn't want to go back in. There we go. All right. There's this. I don't want to misplace it. Oh.
What's up?
That back in there. All right. Holy shit. Huh?
Yep.
Yeah, your hands are gonna get dirty though.
Yeah, so.
All right. Yeah, you just want to pick up one side of it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's much easier with 2 people. Yeah, now the stroller, might just throw it in the back seat maybe. Gotta love truck tire changes.